हेलो दोस्तों। आई होप आप सभी अच्छे हो।
Convex lens. It is also known as converging lens. It is thick in the middle and thin at edges. The diameter of the circular edge of the lens is called aperture. Here, AB is the aperture. When a ray of light passing through a particular point on the principal axis goes undeviated, this point is called optical center, and this is represented by O. First principal focus is a point on the principal axis of the lens. When a ray diverging from it after refracting from the lens go parallel to the principal axis. Here, F1 is the first principal focus. Second principal focus is a point on the principal axis of the lens. When an incident ray parallel to the principal axis after refraction from the lens meet at this point. Here, F2 is the second principal focus. The distance between the optical center O and one of the principal focus of the lens is called focal length. The aim of this experiment is to find the focal length of a convex lens by plotting graphs between U and V or between 1 by U and 1 by V. The apparatus required for this experiment are optical bench with 3 uprights, convex lens, 2 optical needles, knitting needle, and a half meter scale. Consider a convex lens and mount it on the optical bench at a convenient position. Now, place an object needle at 1.5 times the rough focal length of the given convex lens. By adjusting the position of the object needle, you will observe an inverted image of the object needle on the other side of the lens. Now, we need to place the other needle on the optical bench and consider it as image needle. Adjust the position of the image needle until you find the image of the object needle on top of the image needle. Now, the distance between the object needle and the convex lens is considered as U. The distance between the image needle and the lens is considered as V. Here, we need to obtain the image of a distant object on the screen. When you look at the window, you can see the tree which is a distant object. Face the lens towards a distant object and obtain its inverted image on the screen. Once you got the inverted image, move the lens forward and backward until you get a sharp image. Now, with the help of a scale, measure the distance between the lens holder and the screen, which is nothing but the rough focal length. Here, it is 10 centimeters.
Inverted image of the object needle over the image needle. We bring the inverted image of the object needle and the image needle in the same vertical line. There is a relative shift between the inverted image of the object needle and the image needle. Here you can see clearly, as I move my eye to the right and left, there is no relative shift.
The rough focal length of the convex lens used in this experiment is 10 centimeters. Table for determination of U, V and 1 by U, 1 by V. Observation table. Object needle O. Then the inverted image of the object needle without any parallax was formed on the tip of the image needle. Then the position of the upright containing the object needle is 95 centimeters. Convex lens is at a position of 111 centimeters. Image needle is at a position of 138.5 centimeters. OL is equal to U, which is 111 minus 95, which is 16 centimeters. Observed distance V, 138.5 minus 111, which is 27.5. Corrected distance U is equal to observed distance U plus index correction U. Index correction is equal to plus 0.3 centimeters. Therefore, corrected distance U is equal to 16 plus 0.3 centimeters, which is 16.3 centimeters. Corrected distance V is equal to observed distance V plus index correction V. Index correction is equal to plus 0.3 centimeters. Therefore, corrected distance V is equal to 27.5 plus 0.3 centimeters, which is 27.8 centimeters. 1 by U is equal to 0.0613. 1 by V is equal to 0.035. Similarly, the other observations are as follows. UV graph convex lens. Using the values of U and V, we plot a graph by taking U on x-axis and V on y-axis. We select a suitable scale. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 centimeters. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 centimeters. Origin is 10, 10. Now, let us plot the points on the graph. Join all the points. As you can see, the graph comes out to be a rectangular hyperbola. Now, we draw a straight line from the origin, making an angle of 45 degrees with both axes. This line meets the curve at a point A. Two perpendiculars are drawn from A onto x and y axis. The x and y coordinates of A are same. Therefore, U is equal to 21.25, V is equal to 21.25. Therefore, U is equal to V. In case of a convex lens, when the object is placed at 2f, the image is formed at 2f. Therefore, U is equal to V is equal to 2f. That is, AB is equal to AC is equal to 2f. Therefore, F is equal to AB by 2. That is 21.25 divided by 2. Therefore, F is equal to 10.625 centimeters. One by U, 1 by V graph convex lens. Using the values of 1 by U and 1 by V, we plot a graph by taking 1 by U values on x-axis and 1 by V values on y-axis. We select a suitable scale. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 per centimeter. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 per centimeter. Origin is equal to 0.00, 0.00. Now, let us plot the points on the graph. join all the points. As you can see, the graph comes out to be a straight line. The line cuts the both axes at an angle of 45 degrees, making equal intercepts OP and OQ. OP is equal to 0.092, OQ is equal to 0.092. According to the focal length formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. At point P, 1 by v is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 by f is equal to 1 by u, which is f is equal to 1 by OP. At point Q, 1 by u is equal to 0. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v, which is f is equal to 1 by OQ. Therefore, focal length f is equal to 1 by OP is equal to 1 by OQ, which is 1 by 0.092. Therefore, focal length f is equal to 10.869 centimeters. Precautions. Tips of the object and image needles should lie at the same height as the center of the lens. Parallax should be removed from tip to tip by keeping eye at a distance at least 30 centimeters away from the needle. The distance between convex lens and object needle should be in such a way that only real and virtual image is formed. Index correction should be properly determined and must be applied for both U and V.
दोस्तों, आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी हमें कमेंट करके बताइए। यदि अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और दोस्तों के साथ इस वीडियो को शेयर कर दीजिए।